Hey Maya, I keep hearing about all these Azure data services, SQL, Cosmos DB, Data Factory, Databricks. It's kind of overwhelming. Can you walk me through them?
For sure, Leo. Think of Azure as a big toolbox for handling all types of data, whether you're storing it, transforming it, analyzing it, or governing it.
Okay, cool. So, what's the first thing I should know?
Let's start with Azure SQL. It's like the go-to relational database in Azure, and it comes in a few flavors. Azure SQL Database, fully managed and perfect if you just need a database and don't want to deal with maintenance. Azure SQL Managed Instance, a bit more flexible and closer to a traditional SQL server, but still managed. Azure SQL VM, you get a virtual machine with SQL Server installed, and you're responsible for everything.
Got it. So that's for structured, relational data. What about open source databases?
Yep. Azure also supports Azure Database for MySQL, Azure Database for MariaDB, Azure Database for PostgreSQL. Each of these gives you open source database options, but with Azure handling the infrastructure for you.
Nice. Now I've heard a lot about Cosmos DB. What makes it special?
Azure Cosmos DB is the superhero of non-relational databases. It supports document, key value, graph, and column family data models. It's globally distributed and great for massive scale apps that need millisecond response times.
Sweet. So what about just storing files?
That's where Azure Storage comes in. It's a versatile storage option with blob containers for unstructured data like videos and logs, file shares for typical network files, and tables for fast key value data.
Sounds handy. And what if I need to move and transform data?
Enter Azure Data Factory. It's your go-to for creating data pipelines. It can pull data from all over, transform it, and load it into other places like a data warehouse.
I've also heard of Microsoft Fabric. Is that like Power BI?
Great question. Microsoft Fabric is much more than just visuals. It unifies everything from data ingestion, lakehouse and warehouse analytics, real-time data, to machine learning and governance, all in one platform.
Whoa, so it's like a data Swiss Army knife?
Exactly. And it uses one lake as the central data storage for everything.
What about Databricks? I've heard it's good for big data.
Totally. Azure Databricks is perfect if you want to use Spark and do complex analytics at scale. It has notebooks for data exploration, and it's great for both data engineers and analysts.
And for real-time stuff?
Use Azure Stream Analytics. It lets you process streaming data in real time. Think IoT sensors, logs, clickstreams, anything where the data keeps flowing.
Cool. And where does Azure Data Explorer fit in?
It's built for high-speed analytics on log and telemetry data. Perfect if you need to analyze timestamped data quickly, like app logs or IoT data.
Last one. What's Microsoft Purview?
Purview is all about data governance. It helps you discover, map, and manage your data across all systems. Super useful for compliance and ensuring data trust.
Wow, okay. This makes a lot more sense now. So different services for storage, processing, analysis, and governance.
Exactly. It's all about using the right tool for the right job. And with Azure, you've got a full suite ready to go.